Hey, Rich B here with Good Enough Spanish, and today we're going over cooking oil Spanish. Yep, cooking oil Spanish. Aceite de cocinar, oil of cooking. Because I don't care who you are. Either everybody I know, they either cook with some oil or they put oil on their food. So that's just what I felt like in the moment. Okay, it's useful Spanish. Useful Spanish. You're going to thank me one day. All right, so in our cooking oil Spanish lesson for today, we're starting with some vegetable oil, okay? Yep, it say vegetable oil on there. It's written, ghetto style, written, vegetable oil. But it's vegetable oil. So how do you say vegetable oil in Spanish? Well, it's easy. Oil is aceite, okay? That's the common denominator of the day. So it's aceite vegetal. Aceite vegetal. Okay? You say it. Aceite vegetal. Great job, great job, great job. Now we are going over avocado oil. That's that good stuff right there. Okay? Now, you already know how to say oil. That's the common denominator of the day. Aceite, just do as I say. Aceite de aguacate. Yep. Avocado in Spanish is aguacate. So it is aceite de aguacate. Now you say it. Aceite de aguacate. There you go. There you go. Now, pull out another oil. This is, what is this? Okay, this is olive oil. We just keep it simple. I ain't gonna do no fancy. It's really chili infused extra virgin olive oil. But I ain't gonna do all that fancy stuff for you today. It's just olive oil, okay? Let's keep this just the base root, okay? So how do you say, you already know how to say oil. How do you say it? Yep, you just do as I say. Aceite de oliva. Yep, olive in Spanish is oliva. So it is aceite de oliva. Olive oil. How you say it? Aceite de oliva. Olive oil. Now, got one more here. This is aceite de coco, coconut oil. See that? Aceite de coco. Now what I say? What is it? Aceite de coco. There we go. Aceite de coco. Just that good stuff here. If you haven't tried olive oil, you need to infuse it in your diet because there are so many health benefits. I take this every day. Maybe we'll talk about it later, but do your research on that aceite de coco. Okay? So, again, the common denominator in all of these oils, they all start with aceite. So if you just do as I say, what I say, aceite de